Alright, so we are with Miss V.
Hey.
And we just finished her 12-inch and 14-inch weave with Milky Way Q 14-inch and Outre Premium 12-inch. And we did straight back cornrows with a net sewed down. And it's a full weave with a small section horseshoe left out and her edges left out. And as you can see, as I pull her hair back, you can't see any braids, any tracks. I'm going to fix that really quick. She just finished curling it. And then same thing on this side. No braids, no tracks. So she can do a ponytail if she wants to. And then same thing in the back. She can pull that up. I don't know if you can see it, but she can also do a ponytail there. The weave was straight, but she curled it and did flexi rods last night, so she'd have some body. And then she just flipped the front with some feather curls and turn around and see the length of it. As you can see, it's a pretty good length. It's down right past the middle of her back. And turn back around. And then she did some layers in the front. She was having fun with the razor scissors last night. Alright, and so that's pretty much it. I hope you can see it good. I know it's a little dark in here, but I mean, that's the top. No tracks, no braids, even I run my fingers through. And that is it for Miss V. Want to say anything?
I love my new dude. Very excited.
2 weeks she'll be back at y'all with a review of this
Okay.
Milky Way Q hair.
I'm going to do a review.
We hope it does well. We'll see.